Hello and welcome to the channel. This is the Baron. Today we'll be putting together a fire helicopter number 60318. So I've been doing a lot of the fire stuff and police stuff. I really like those. Whoa. We're going to put this together. Boy, this one is different, isn't it? I mean, right off the bat, we've got like most of it built. That's sort of crazy. I'm used to putting these guys together piece by piece. Not so much prefab. Like always, we'll get this out of here, and we got the nice little book that I can look at. Normally, the people are easy enough to do without that, but I see that we got at least a backpack on one of them and some other things today, so we will get these guys together. All right, so we got this. We've got the red goes to that. And then we got a hat that we got to find, a red hat. There's a hot dog. Might as well get the yellow pieces together here. Got the other guy going. All right, the other guy gets the shades. And he's gonna get the helmet. And is this it for pieces? There we go. There's the red cap, but still missing a head. And there we are. It was inside the garbage can. So we got this guy here with the baseball cap, and he's carrying a hot dog. I guess he's a hot dog vendor. All right. Oop. And then we drop him. So there's that guy with the hot dog. See, we are going to have a backpack. Huh. All right, it's actually got me building a fire first. So, little red thing there, fire there. That sits inside the garbage can. And there is the garbage can on fire. Weird, I guess we're building the hot dog stand first. All right, normally I do my two people, but they don't have those in order. I do know that he is going to have a walkie. We've already found his helmet. I just was wondering if he had a backpack. All right, so we've got step one here is that piece with that piece on it. Then we're going to do that. And now we're going to make a hot dog. We're going to do this here. But we've got a hot dog bun. We actually put a hot dog inside of it. I don't know why they got a black hot dog. This shows the old-fashioned red hot dog. Got a hot dog in there. All right, this one's a little weird. Now it shows me putting the guy together, which I'd already had because I just didn't know if he had a backpack. So nope, it's just got a walkie-talkie, helmet. All right, and now we grab this and this. So we put this on the front. Which is weird. 19. These pages always stick together for some reason. We're going to put this right over the top of that. Wait a minute. That's the right way. Did I put that on? I put that on the wrong spot. So that's supposed to be on the back end. And there we go. Place that right on top of there. That is that. Now we've got a gray piece that goes all the way across the back here. That is it for that. And we have the helicopter part that you just put on top of there. And then we've got another one of those, which I do not see. Oh, there it is. And that goes on the front of that. Now we've got yellow pieces that go on the sides. And then we've got a blue piece that goes down here. Okay. They've already put the canopy on. It's already confusing on how they did that. How did you do that? All right, somehow I skipped a piece that goes on there, that goes on there, and then that fits on there in order to have the canopy part. This doesn't have a step-by-step like normal. All right, it's showing me those two pieces. Right now, we're putting the shield on the side and a blue piece right here. Come around, do the same thing over here. Blue piece and shield. Now then, it's just doing a little control. So it looks like there's only one of these. They're putting it on this side right here. Now we're taking and putting these in here. Put that in there. These don't have a normal checklist. I'm not really digging the way that they did this one. All right, so then we've got this piece here. I'm going to attach that to it. And we're going to put this over the top of it. I think this is going to be the rear hatch. Yes, it is. So this is going to plug into that. And then that will fold into there. Now it shows putting these on the side. And they go onto the blue things that we had already put on there. So that's good. Now we're just putting two pieces on the back. Whoop. Knocked over that poor hot dog dude. Here, let's stand you on there. Get you standing. Let's see what we got going on here. All right. So we got those two in. And then we're going to do this piece here. And then we'll do the red piece over the top of that. Then we'll put the blade on there. Okay, apparently that didn't lock into place well. There we go. That locked in, that pushed on, that goes for that. Then we're going to do this one for that. Okay. Now, of course, so it shows to put this on there, and then 2 blades, which I'm just not used to. All my helicopters always had 4 blades. I don't like the 2-blade version. And then you put this over the top of that. And then you put the garbage can. So the garbage can goes next to this guy. I guess these are supposed to be burnt hot dogs after the fact. So his garbage can's getting out of control here. He's worried about his hot dogs. Oh. And we'll have the fire rescue guy come in the helicopter. If I can get him inside there. Just throw him off in there. Yep. Not a very good display today. But that is it for the fire helicopter. It's really weird. It was a lot of pre-built stuff. I don't like the instructions on this one. I'm used to a lot of step-by-step stuff and actually building a lot more. This was mostly put together, so this is definitely an easier set. I don't know if I didn't check the ages on this one, if this one's a little bit less skill. We'll see how the police helicopter goes. I'll be doing it next. So if you're enjoying these videos, please like, subscribe, and all that fun YouTube stuff.